Hello guys, and welcome to our in-depth tutorial and review of Square Appointments, a comprehensive online booking and scheduling tool designed to streamline your business operations. Over the next minutes, we're going to explore the key features, the things you can do in general, demonstrate a real-world use example for business, and provide an assessment of the capabilities and the drawback of this software. The first thing that you're going to have to do, of course, is you're going to have to come to squareapp.com/appointments. Okay. Now there's a couple of approaches that I want to show you. Okay. First of all, is that you can just come to this page in case that you don't have like a Square account. And when you click on get started, you're going to be asked to create a Square account. Okay. And you can have either a free plan or a free trial for a paid plan. Okay. So that depends on what you want actually. However, some of you might already have a Square account, okay? And the thing that you need to do is you need to activate the appointments section or the appointments menu. And how are you going to do this is by coming to this dashboard. When you activate it, you're going to have this appointments menu here, but it's usually not going to be here until you activate it. So what are you going to do is you're going to come to the search bar and you're going to look for appointments, okay? Unless you do this, you're not going to have it ready. And just click here and you're going to be greeted with a menu asking if you want to activate it. So just click on continue and you're going to be greeted with this menu, which is great, okay? And now every time you log into Square, you're going to have this menu ready. And you're going to be welcome with this menu that says overview. You have your calendar, your wait list, your online booking service, and your settings, okay? Nice. Now, Square Appointments allows you to define your services by specifying details like your name, duration, price, and description, okay? So I want to come to this overview and click on create your service, all right? And you have two different options here. You can use the AI Summarizer or the AI Service Library, which is going to provide the services for you, okay? Or you can add your services manually. I'm going to show you how to do both, okay? The first is going to be AI. We're going to click on next. Okay, let's click on next here. And now you have two options here. You can either update or upload, a link to your website. And what Square is going to do is going to try to scrap all of the data to offer your services. This is very convenient and the best option in my opinion. Or you can upload a file with your current list of services. But of course, this implies that you already have a current list of services, okay? So you can just do this manually. So in my opinion, this is the most interesting option, all right? So let's click in here, click on next. And it's going to take a couple of minutes, but it's going to try to import all of your services. And there you go. It actually did a fantastic job. It managed to import 16 services from this website and the prices, the duration, and the description, okay? You have a bunch of them, which is great. If you're ready, just click on save, and there you go. And similarly, like I told you before, you can do the same but manually. If you click on create your services and add your service manually, you're going to be greeted with this thing here, okay? You have to set the price, the description, and so on and so on. That's pretty much it. Now the second thing that I recommend you do is setting up your location and your contact information, okay, by clicking onto this button here. And you can specify the business name, the location nickname, the location type, and the phone number, okay? This is very important in case that you want to be consulted or called, all right? And after you save and continue, this information is then going to appear in your online booking site, which we're going to see how to create in a moment, all right? With Square Appointments, you can create a free online booking site that reflects your brand, okay? You can do so by coming to online bookings, then channels, and then enable online booking, all right? Now, there are several ways in which you can add these bookings or these appointments. These are called booking channels, okay? You can basically add like a snippet of code to your existing website by clicking here. You can create a Square online or website from scratch by clicking here, which is amazing actually, using AI. And you can also use it using Instagram or Google, okay? If you, for example, choose to add it to your current website and you click on here, you can choose to add a booking button to your website, okay? Or to get some code and to embed it into your website, all right? Both of these options are really good in my opinion. Like I said before, you can also use Instagram and that's fine. But for that, you need a business Instagram account. So make sure that you have it, all right? And you can also create a Square website from the beginning, all right, which is nice as well. In any case, after you enable any of these channels, your customers are going to be able to actually book appointments through the specific sites, okay, selecting services, staff members, and available time slots. Once booked, the appointments are going to appear inside of your calendar, okay, which is this tab in here. You're going to have access to all of your appointments, okay? And what I like about this is that you can also create them manually in case that your client is not using your online services. You can just click on create here and you can start adding the client information, such as the name, the email, the date and time, and the services, okay, which is great. So this is gonna be, I think, a great tool for businesses such as hair salons, massage salons, and clinics in general. Okay. Something that I want to show you also is the payments and cancellation settings, which I think are very important for that business. Okay. So you can basically protect your business again and no-show and late cancellations by requiring a full payment or holding a card to charge a fee if you click onto this button here in the settings menu. All right. So you can require a full prepayment or hold the car in case of no show. All right, that's very important. To summarize, let's consider the advantages and disadvantages of Square appointments. I think that it's very user friendly in terms of the interface. It's very easy to use, and you have a lot of comprehensive features in a minimalistic interface, which is nice. You have also seamless integration with Square's payment processing system. I think that some of the advanced features require, a paid plan, which is not good in my opinion. And the customization options for this site are somewhat limited, okay? But I think in general it's a pretty solid option. So yeah, thank you so much, guys.